Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11th is full course on this part 161 Laravel 11 client side from validation and inserting data using JQuery. And this part 3 and this is the last part. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Lara underscore 11. This is a database name, and this is a table name is available user table. Click this user table. Inside this is a import data. This is a import data is a implementation. Let's step by step working. This is my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Successfully open this my Sublime text editor. Let's open this directory inside cmd. Open. Successfully open this directory inside this is a cmd. Let's run php artisan server. PSP artisan server, this directory inside this is a URL is a copy. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is open, and inside this is route. Inside this web.php available. Inside this is the last route is available. This is a user create route. Same URL is a copy and slash and paste here, and successfully available. Good working. This is a successfully working available. Let's open. This is a file. This file is open. This is a resource view inside this is available user create user inside this is a confirm password it not a use. This is a confirm password is not a use. Same name. This is a already created previous all video. Check. This is a confirm password is a remove, and this is a only simple user is a create. This is a implementation. Let's refresh this page and confirm password is a remove. Let's inside this is a new URL is a create. Let's action method post. This is a method is a post. Action is a create URL user create slash create user create. The same URL is a post, and inside this is a ECSF. This is a file inside this is available. Let's open this is a this inside this available. Let's add more, and this CRF token. This token is a CRF token is a implementation. Same name. Let's same this copy, and this is a method is available post method. Please write down this web.php. Open, write down copy and post method, and this is a paste here. Successfully same route is a copy and paste here, and this is a method is available post method. This method is a post and same here. This close this. Let's inside this is a form controller class, and this is a name is a create user. Save file. Let's copy this name, copy, and this is a controller. Open form controller. Form controller is already available. This app http controller and form controller. App http controller and form controller is available. Successfully available. Let's inside this new function create public function and paste here, and this is a request and $request, and this is a request is already included. This is a request is already included, and this is a name is available. This same name this create user. Let's dd $request, and this is a all and save file. Let's refresh this page, and inside this name is a error solution. Email is a code @gmail.com. Password is a 123456 and 789, and click this submit, and not now. Successfully available name, email and password. This is a name is available. This name This is a name, this is name is a email, and this is a last is a password. Successfully available. This error solution, this error solution is my official website. We are here to help 24/7. I am always available. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is a anytime. Please contact. And this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Less font is a small. Successfully available. This is name, email and password. And this is a name, email and password is by default table is a user table. This ID, name, email and password is available. This is a by default table already available. And this is a name is a user table, and this is a model is a by default is a available. Model inside this is a user model. This is a by default. Let's same name is a copy, and inside this is a include use app model, and this is a model is a by default is a implementation. This user model. Let's same name copy and this comment, and this is a save save is equal to new and paste here. This is a paste here. Let's $save, and this is available. First of all, this is a name. This is a name is a save is equal to trim request inside this paste here, and this is a name inside this available name. This is a name is a copy and paste here. Successfully first is a implementation, second is a implementation, third is a implementation. But this is a has make, this is a has make password. This is the same is use. This is a has is a password is a successfully shared. This is a good working. This field name is available email and last is available password. Successfully password is a shared, and this is an email and this is a password. Successfully password is a set. Let's $save and save. Return redirect. This is a paste name, same name is a copy and paste here with success, and this is a form is a submitted save file. Successfully save file. Please write down. This is a database name and this is a form name. Let's back button, click this. Inside this refresh this page is a refresh, and this is a 28 entries available. Let's refresh this page. This is a 28 entries are available already. This is a 28 entry. Let's refresh error solution code, and this is a code error solution code @gmail.com, and this is a password is a 2 and submit. This is a not available, only 5 character history 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's say implement and submit and not now, and this is a form is a submitted. This is a available message. Let's refresh this page. 38 is available. Let's refresh this page. Successfully 39 is available. Let's last record is a create. This is a last record is a create. This is a good error solution. This is a Gmail account. This is a password is available. This password is a dynamic hash password, not a dynamic very hard password. Otherwise any old developer is a hack this server, and this is a server is a not a hack. Let's refresh this page. This is submit, and this is a hash password. This is a hash password is available. Let's not save and refresh this page. New entry is available for 0. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a created, good working. This is a password is a very hard password. Inside this hard password this is the same here. Otherwise this is the same not. This same not is a same name copy and paste here, and this is a password and password, only simple password. Let's refresh this page and this implement. This is the password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is a submit and not now, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a not a This is a simple password. This is the last record is a check this simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 9. And this is a last is a entry. Let's save file is not working. This is a password request password. This is a inside. This is a let's save file. Wait this save file, and this is a request is a not use this request, and this is a number. Save file and refresh this page, and this is a message available. This is a message is already included. This is a success message. This message is already included. Let's refresh this page. Password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and submit, and this is a password is a set. Let's not now and refresh this page. This is a password is a implementation. This is my hash password is available. This is a hash password request inside. This is a password. This is a by default is a hash password is a implementation. This is a good this password, and this is a hash password is a set. This is a set in this is a very hard. All good. This is the implementation hash password in this validation is a available. This is a not a implementation successfully implementation. This is a hard password. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. This is a step by step implementation. Thank you.